morning, riders. Today's episode is going to be guess what I got. So, Blue Bike and Doyle, he turned me on to eBay. He found something on eBay. It was chrome. Unfortunately, I don't deal with chrome. I'm not a real fan of chrome. But I came across this puppy. I think all in all, with shipping and tax and such, I paid about $35 for it. Oh, no. $38 for this. This is this is a lot better job than what I would have been able to do. I tell you what. Yep. You can see this. Thick brackets. Nice and thick. Can't even bend that. So, that's what today's video is going to consist of. Sissy Bar. Rather than pay $200, gonna do that.
A few moments later.
You're naughty. Not working right, GoPro. We'll go ahead and remove the shocks off of here. Jack the bike up. Get it so that way I have enough clearance so that way I can remove the bolts on here. Alright, let's get to it. Where's my parts? Where's my tools? Where's all my stuff? Everything's missing! Damn you, Mr. Garrison! So one of the key things is whatever you do on one side, you do on the other. So we got the bike up high. Nice thing about this backrest, Sissy Bar. Sissy Bar backrest? Why is it called a Sissy Bar? I always wondered that. You know what? I'm gonna look that up before I put it in the video. Gotta love editing. Yeah, definitely want me to put that one on there. But for right now, the goal is to see this. Alright, so one thing I just discovered, they use wood screws for the back of the backrest. Who uses wood screws? Alright, looks like that's going to work. I'd like to thank Blue Buck and Doyle, because he was able to find another one for me, but it was chrome. I don't know if I mentioned it. I don't know where I'm at right now. Who knows? I feel nauseous to hell. And now it's not the propane tank, which some people might be thinking right now. Maybe I can actually switch out the backrest for the one that I had for the V-Star. And there we go. And I'm liking this already. Too. Stretch. What commercials are those? Are those the Geico ones or Progressive? Which you see a bunch of people probably about in their 20s and 30s acting like people in their late 40s, 50s, 60s. Not typical people. Don't get me wrong. Okay, this is right. I think. Now, let's take a look. eBay. Ooh, someone brought out 2 videos. It's 11 o'clock. Crap.
2 hours later.
So I'm a bad YouTuber. So to bring you up to speed, what I've done is I grabbed the rack off of the one that was for the V-Star, and what do you know? It works just fine. So all I had to do is paint this when I got time to do that. But as you can tell, I got it securely on here, and I think this is going to work out quite well. One of the things which you might have noticed on here, they got 4, okay? 4 holes to go on for the pad. Just 2 screws. Only screws that came with it. So pretty much I'd have to figure out exactly what would be ideal and then go from there. You never know holding on to those old parts and how you're going to be able to utilize them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and click that like button and please subscribe. More subscribers help this channel grow more. And to grow more, I can provide better quality content and a little bit more organized way. I'm Wild Rider, and as always, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next ride.